Hello guys, today we will talk about how to protect the worksheet or unprotect the worksheet even if you forget your protection password. Okay, if you want to protect this worksheet, we can choose this robin and protect the worksheet and 111 and 111 confirm that, right? And we cannot change anything here now. So if you forget your password, so we have no idea, right? So we can save it and close it, and now we just rename it and change the format from Excel SX mode to RAR mode. Okay, now we open it and now find Excel and the worksheet. We just have a single file here. If we have 3 sheets in the workbook, it means we have 3 files here. Alright, so we can drag this file from this folder to this folder. Okay, now we open it by test book. Okay, and push Ctrl and F button, put into something here. Should be protect. Find the next, and something appear here. Sheet protection, something like that. We select something from here to here. Okay, before phonetic. Okay, delete it, and now save it and close it. We just drag the file from here to here. Okay, now we can close it and delete it and recover, the format from RAR to Excel SX mode. And now open it and we can try it. It worked, right? It worked. So have you guys find that the protection is so weak, right? So how can we protect the important data be strongly? Okay, we can choose the file, choose the save as, and choose here Excel SM mode. Okay, save that, and now we choose file again, option, custom, and now development should be chosen here. Okay, and okay, choose development, Visual Basic, choose this workbook, and this is normal, and we just change normal to workbook, and the open property is default selection, right? So it means when we open this workbook, something will be happened, right? So what kind of things should be happened? It just depends on what kind of code you put into. So we can put sheet 1 and protect, right? And here 1, 2, 3. But somebody will delete this sub, right? So we also need to protect the VBA project, right? We choose the tools and the VBA project property, and now here protection, and nobody can build it, right? So we just choose this one, 1, 2, 3, or 111, whatever. Okay, and now we save it and save it again outside, and we can try it. We can change something here. We can save it and close it, and now we access this file again, and you can find that we cannot change this anymore. So this protection is double, right? It's strongly, right? So if you want change the Visual Basic, you find this place have some password. No, so we should be go to this place, and we also need password, right? If you want do something like what we did before, we can try it. Okay, rename it and RAR and open it. Excel worksheet, drag this file from inside to outside. Okay, we open it by textbook and Control plus F. Protection. Here, right, we just delete it. Okay, we just delete it like what we did before. Here, delete it and save it, close it, and now we just drag this to this file again, confirm it, close it, and we just delete it. We don't need that anymore. Rename it. This place should be Excel SM mod, right? But somebody said, can we put the mod to Excel SX mod? We can try this. Open it and crashed. So we cannot do that, right? So we the best way is that it's M. Okay, we open it again and we cannot change it. Right? It's strongly. Okay, thanks for your watching and see you next time.